3, 2, 1, go! Let's go. Come on, y'all. Let's go. You guys got it. Step right. Good, take step. That's that. You got that route. If you guys drop anything, let me know. I'm trying to see if I can find it. All right, perfect. We're up there. Should I get this ball out of his mouth quick? Yes, sir. Judge, counting! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you want, Leo? I got one more. 2, 3, 4, I got 2 more. Come right up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's one. That's the ball. Perfect time. Perfect time. Ready? Come on, guys. You got this. Let's go. Let's make good time here. Let's make good time. Excuse me. Get under there. Get under there. Judge, wiping. Get tray ready, start. Set rock around tray on my side with the tape facing me. Start. Good job, Jay. Good hustle. Good hustle. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna your left. Make sure that's on the red. Make sure that's on the red. Ooh, come on, let's go. Good job, let's go. Yeah, make sure that's on the red. What? Your my foot? Whatever you want to call it. What do you mean? I got it. Oh, my fault. I didn't know. Yeah. Where's your coach at? I laid his coach. There you go, Leo. I'll try to break the bar. Alright. Just don't hit me. Come on, guys, let's go. Here we go, buddy. Doing good. I'm about to move to the right. Alright. I can move to the left then. Alright, target. We're going to start broken. Come here and take the left. What's wrong? I got 2 more or 6 more on open. 4 corners and 2 inside. You got this. Come on, guys. Alright. Get started off 15. I can't. I got 4 corners left on open. Let's go. Hurry up. Come on, get a little turn off. You got this. He's getting spark plugs out. I have enough time. Hurry. I already have him on a bouncer off though, so that's good. Kilogram on speed handle. I got 1 left on the way. I'm about to do your shot. Sorry. This is the last on roll pan, last on roll pan. Somebody hold it. Oh, gotcha. Go. You can have people hold it. I can't. No, we don't. Alright, done, done. Let go. What? Is there a bolt still on the thing? Oh my god. Come on. Come on, man. You got it, you got it. Don't let it stress you out. I got it. There it is. Take that off. Okay. Step, Zane. Good job, Zane. Good job, Zane. You got this. Can we get that wall pop, please? Put your hip. Go. Open. All right, good. This. Let's go, Rupert. Come on.
Keep moving, guys. You're doing good.
You're still on the other side.
Step, Greg!
Other side.
Step, Greg!
George, great stab.
This head's got to come off. I got 3 more bolts.
Go. Come on, Zane.
One step!
Don't drop stuff.
Judge, wiping!
Pick it up.
Judge, wiping!
Hands off.
Move, guys.
Let's go. This needs to go. Let's go. You're all set. Let me know where you're going to push, Rupert. Okay. I'm pushing. Go. Push there.
Wrong way. Rotate Craig now. You have to rotate Craig.
Push Craig. Good.
Good.
Rotate Craig.
Carburetor.
Let's go, Rupert. Head out. Come on. You got this. Let's go.
You got a bolt together for your oil pan.
What's that?
The oil pan bolt in the other.
Alright,
Go, guys.
go forward. We're pushing. Good. Let's go, Greg. Let's go. We got 3 pistons out, 2 pistons out. Good, Greg. Let's go, y'all. We got to speed up a little bit. Let's
Go.
go. I got 1 more. Come on. Judge, push piston. Come on, push on. Good. Push. Hey.
Come on, Bill. You got this.
Perfect. Good job. Last piston on this side.
Check one side of it.
Just hold it up.
Like actually, you know, force it.
Just catch it, deep lock. You got it. Push it. Give me a second. Lieutenant Craig. Nice. Go.
I'm almost there, y'all.
We got 4 more pistons. Let's go. We're making good time.
Go, guys.
I dropped your hair bolts. They fell out. Okay, it's fine. I'll pick them up.
Judge,
Rotating Craig. You know what you're doing?
Good stuff. Come on, guys. Hurry.
Oh, there we go. Okay, good.
I need a yellow socket. I don't have a yellow socket. Find it.
Come on, Zane. Find it.
Go.
Step, Greg! Step, Greg!
Good. Great stab. We're going to have a catch.
Oh, step.
Whatever.
Hey, good. Keep on piston. Last piston. Zane, you got to be done.
I am.
Good.
I have 1 bolt left.
Good stuff, Zane.
Good job, Dave.
Wait.
Line it up. Come on. Hurry.
It's lined up.
Go.
Hey, y'all can't rotate it yet.
I'm
Good. Come on, guys. You got this.
Try. Good.
Judge, time to chain. Head floating. What?
There you go. Don't stop.
Oh, Dr. Bond.
There you go.
Judge, like a piston ring.
Come on, guys.
100 inch.
Judge, Craig. Push.
That's in the front right now.
Here you go. Head.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Forward piston 10, head's gonna go on.
You guys got this, come on.
Judge, great. Prove you're good first when you come back. Judge, pocket piston ring. Leave the rest of those pistons done.
I can't get the hold in.
Give me 2 seconds, I'll help you.
No, I'm good, Roger.
You guys got this.
Now push. Johnson, great. You're on. Come on, Ruger. Good. Look at pocket piston ring.
You guys got this, come on.
Johnson, great. Let's go, yo. We gotta pick up the field. Let's go.
Good push. Come on, Zane, hurry.
Come on, Zay, hurry. Let's go. You got this. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Oh, head's not ready. It's not ready.
Good, sorry, Shane, cover hand, start it. Start, I need you to get 50-inch ready.
Good. Pocket piston ring.
Go, guys.
Let's go.
Start.
Start, I need 50-inch ready. Is it ready?
50's ready.
Is the hand ready yet? Judge, start gauge. Better turbo. Judge, pocket piston ring. 25. Is the hand ready yet? No. We're about to need a second one. Judge, it's ready.
You guys got this, come on.
All right, 50-inch. Which one is it? Start.
Go. Come on. Go.
Jack, do the time check over 50-inch.
Make sure it shows the camera, not me.
50-inch. In sequence, forward, quick.
That's our last piston. Both heads ready to go on.
Quick.
Come on.
Quick.
Let's go.
Quick.
All pistons on. Zane, all pistons on.
Hey, I need 15 foot. 15 foot start. I'm gonna get water pumping all the way for you. Sorry, you need water pump.
Judge, head on the second. Go. Is second head ready?
That one's not.
Hey, give him seconds, I'm gonna grab it. Hurry. He's gotta go. Good job. Move.
Sorry.
What do you need?
Come on, guys, you got
Can't start those.
Judge, smoking piston rod cast, 15 foot-pounds. Rotating right. Judge, rotating right. 1, 2.
Hurry up.
Let's go. 3, 4. Judge, rotating right.
You guys got this, come on.
5, 6. Judge, rotating right.
Don't hit me with that. Watch your third bridge.
All right, I got you.
Judge, hand both hands started.
8.
What are you help with? I'll get
Judge, rotating right. 9, 10. Judge, rotating right. Judge, rotating right. 11, 12. Judge, rotating right.
Ruger, come toward this one.
Judge, rotating right.
Come on, guys, hurry up.
Yes. Judge, hand both hands started.
13, 14. Judge, rotating right. 15, 16. Judge, you can piston rod cap, 30 foot-pounds.
Good, hurry up, Zane, hurry up.
Judge, rotating right. 1, 2. Judge, rotating right.
Let's go, we gotta hurry up.
Let's go. 3,
Let's go, guys.
Come on.
4.
Is the 100-inch ready, please?
Judge, rotating right. It's so hard to rotate.
100-inch.
Move further.
Go. Get in there.
Judge, rotating right.
Let me know when you're done. Let's go, Zane. Hurry up a little bit.
I
Come on,
can't.
James.
It's so hard to. I can't. It's so hard to move. 5, 6.
Can you help when you're done?
7. Judge, rotating right.
Come on, you got this, hurry up. Let's go, let's go.
8. Judge, rotating right.
Zane, what do you need help with?
9.
Can I do oil pump?
10. Judge, rotating right. Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
It's in his tray. In his tray.
11.
You're gonna have to put it together. There you go.
12. Judge, rotating right.
Find the screw. There's not 8. Yeah. Where? Right there, right there.
13.
In the tray.
14.
In the tray. Right below the speed handle. There you go.
Judge, rotating right. 15.
Come on, straight for that.
16. Judge.
Ruger, start torquing.
Ruger, you start talking.
Judge, torquing head, 25 foot.
Good. Come on, hurry up, hurry up.
I'm sorry, I'm out of breath from.
Where's that?
Ruger, where'd you put that?
On the table, on the table,
on
on
the
the
table.
table. There you go.
Good.
Hey, starting you get 50 foot pounds ready.
Good, Craig's bam. Let's go, guys.
Snap, Craig.
Just swing your head, 50 foot down. Let's go, come on. You got this, let's go, you got this. Yes. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, come on, pick it up. Let's go.
Leo, get water pump on while you're late.
Is that 50 foot ready, Star?
He's not done yet.
But he's got 2 more.
All right.
Three.
Hurry.
Give me a second.
Hurry,
Take
Ruger.
a little bit.
Nice. Go.
Let's go.
Attaboy, Ruger, let's go. Just swing your head, 25 foot.
All right, 50 foot.
He's torquing, don't torque. How many things you got?
I got 1.
Go.
Judge, torquing oil pump, 50 foot pounds.
Go, hurry.
Done. Let's go.
Just swing your head, 50 foot down.
I need water pump.
Watch your arm. Let's go.
Hurry up. You gotta get him on the visor on. Come on, Zane. Let's go, Ruger.
Just swing your head, 50 foot down.
Craig's better. Good job, Cisco. Look at the speed, guys.
Watch your elbow, please. Thank you, sir.
I can't. It's all I know is the bush.
Come on, guys. Focus.
Come on, let's go fast. Let's go, you got this. Nobody's working. Nobody's working. Judge, 25 foot, 108.
15 foot. Wait, 25 foot.
25.
We got time,
The shooter's not
Let's go, hurry up, Zane, behind, let's go. Come on, Zane, behind, let's go, you got this, hurry up.
Judge, torquing water pump, 25 foot pounds. X pattern. 1, 2, 3.
Go, don't worry about it. Go, man.
Hurry.
Go. Just 25 foot, 108. Come on, y'all, those close, watch those. You gotta act. Judge,
Come on down, Judge, coming on.
Hurry.
We don't need help with. What do you need help with?
Give me some stuff for harmonic balancing, please.
What is that?
Big nut, big this. Give me green socket on my, 50 foot pounds and green socket on it. 50 foot pound and green socket.
50 foot pound. Okay, let's go, y'all. We're doing good here. Let's go. Pick it up.
Still gotta do a little.
Sir.
You guys got this. We're going
Zane, what do you
good.
need behind? Zane, what do you need behind? Come on.
No, I already have rope up on. I just needed this one.
Hurry.
Judge, talking harmonic balancing 50 foot pounds. Step right.
Let's go. Come on, slow it down. You don't have to be that fast.
Done.
Don't make no mistakes. You got me helping.
Hey, get us that.
Oil pan. I need oil pan.
Hurry. Let's go, guys.
Give yourself enough time to do matters.
Here, then. Let's go. Is it on that side?
Push back a little bit.
That's all right. I'll get it. Go back.
Hey, Zane, do it on the other side, and I can look at this side and tell you if it's good.
Zane, come under me and he'll help you out.
Come on, Zane, hurry.
Oh yeah. The gasket.
Hurry, Zane, hurry.
The gasket is so liquidy now. I dropped it in the oil. Yeah, it's just sorry.
Focus, you got this.
Oil stay calm. Stay calm. Oh my God, I don't know how to do it for the side system or
Here, I'll help you.
Is it on?
It's good.
Good job, Zane.
Screws on.
Zane, I'm holding.
Hurry. Let's go, guys.
Watch out. Okay, you got this. I'm on.
Big one.
Yep.
Alright, I don't need help. I got it.
Got it? Good boy.
Let's go, guys. Speed.
Let's go, y'all. Come on. Pick it up.
I need something. Can you get oil filter on? Anybody?
Yeah, I'll give it 2 seconds. I'll get it on in a minute.
I got to put adapter on.
Come on, guys.
Alright, sorry. I'm so oily.
Star, 100 inch. Show them you already. Let's go.
Judge, oil filter, head tight.
Yeah.
We got time?
No, hold on. Joey, talking. I want to bounce right down there. 100 inch.
Anybody talking? No.
Good.
That one won't go on.
Put your head, man.
What in the world?
Let's go.
Just wiping.
Judge, to the cut.
Gosh, I can't get these nuts on.
Drop the pressure. It's working. He's also going to go inside out.
Come on, Zane, hurry up. You guys got it.
Hey, come on. What? What's it over?
You guys got this.
Jog on head.
I was going to pull under you, Leo. Or nut. It's a small nut.
Wipe. Judge, wipe it.
It's exterior mode.
Oh, shoot. You're right. That's right.
Hurry up, guys, hurry up.
It's a good practice to wipe everything, though.
Now cover's good on cover side.
I'm running down small boats on the left hand right now.
Come on, guys, you got this.
Next free person, get valve cover on. Drop side. I'm almost done with this. It's not hurting.
Let's go.
Yeah, I want 2 seconds. Once I get this on, hand it to me.
Star, I need you to get 15 inch ready for me. Star, get 15 inch ready. I'm sweating from every orifice of my body.
Come on, guys. Come on.
I'm sorry. I have no choice. I need the extension on the 50-inch torque wrench. Can anybody do that for me?
Nope.
All right. Star, can you put the extension on the 50-inch?
Star, extension on 50 inch.
You gotta go, pal.
Judge, torquing open. In sequence, 50-inch.
That's the wrong sequence.
Sure, I can do it in sequence like that.
Oh, it has to be 4 5.
Redo it.
Okay, Judge, torquing oil pan, 50-inch in sequence.
Come on, you gotta do better, Zane. Where's there?
4.
5.
He can do it. He can help. He can help. 5.
5. 6.
Judge! Corky, down cover, expand on hands high! Judge, Corky, exhaust metal fold, inside out!
3 on this side.
No, other side.
Spark plug wires going on.
Hey, stay in the middle so you just have to lean over.
3.
2.
You heard him? Just don't get in the yellow, quick.
2.
There's a nice one up here.
Alright, boys, the side's done.
Over on this side. Right. 7.
Right here.
7.
Side, side.
1.
To the front, time to hold to the front there.
Oh, these ones?
Come on, hurry.
Come on, Zane.
All
Done.
right, 75 minutes. Hurry.
15 foot. It's green socket, right? Hey, it's green socket, correct?
Blue. For what? Starter's blue. Hurry.
Thank you.
Come on.
75 on open. 48.
Other corner first. Other corner
X
first.
pattern.
Good job, Corbin. Good job, Corbin.
Pattern. Z pattern.
Z pattern.
Come on, man, hurry. Hurry.
Come on, you got it, Zane. You got it, Zane. Let's go. Can we take turns?
Yeah. Take it.
On the cross. There you go. Come on, stand straight, hurry.
Oh, Zane, you got it. Let's go, Zane. Let's go, Zane.
I can't find
There
mine.
you go, there you go.
I need to be careful. Done.
Judge, Corky starter, 15 foot-pounds. Judge, Corky down cover, expand on hands high.
Go, guys.
Am I done? Done. Right hand, right hand, right hand. Done.